What kind of person gets angry when a wretched, broken sinner is restored by the grace of God? Are there really people that selfish? The answer, according to Jesus, is sadly yes. And they sometimes congregate in churches. In Jesus' famous story, an arrogant younger brother forces his father to liquidate the family holdings to fund his portion of the estate, yet finally comes to his senses while wrestling pigs for food in a far-off land. Broken by his foolish choices, he makes his best decision ever: to return to the always open arms of the Father. Grace stirs his heart. Grace moves his feet. Grace gives him words. Grace draws him to his Father's arms. But lurking on the margins is a man turned hideous by his angry rejection of the same grace that brought his younger brother home. Nothing can be given. Everything must be earned. The early bird is the righteous bird. Only the righteous bird deserves the worm. All these years I've slaved for you and never once refused to do a single thing you told me to. He snarls at his father. He cannot join the party, for only grace knows how to truly celebrate. When prodigals come home, when broken lives get mended, when those most undeserving wear the Father's ring and eat the Father's food, graceless people show their true colors. Don't be surprised, and don't let them ever keep you from coming fully home. Stay in grace.